Alright everybody, welcome to your 30th AngularJS tutorial and the part 2 of the to-do list in AngularJS, and let's just continue off from where we left in the last tutorial. So now we need to add a task which the user has entered right here. So for that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a variable of array first, an array, sorry. So this would just hold all of our tasks for the application. So let's just say, or why not just create this inside the controller itself. So let's say scope dot tasks is an array, why not? And here I'm gonna push the text which is written by the user right here. Just after the user presses enter, we'll grab this text and we'll push that inside this tasks array. Okay, so now what we have to do is to get this thing right here, and for that what I'm gonna write is scope.tasks.push, and what is being pushed here is the text right here inside this input box. But okay, so we have a bit of a problem. Now we can actually, using JavaScript, retrieve this text right here by using some document calls or whatever, but doing that in pure Angular is, let me think how we can do that. Yeah, why not we just bind this to some variable. Yeah, so that should work pretty much. So I'll just bind it to task, ng model task, and right here what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add this scope dot task. So yep, so we are just binding this task to the input box, and it's gonna update every time this is updating. Yeah, so that should probably work. So let's just console log scope.task every time this happens. So let's just try it out. Okay. Okay, so let's just try to type anything. Okay, so it gives us undefined. Oh, okay, let's just try to console log the task, see if it works. No, that doesn't work. ng model task, and this is tasks. Oh, no. Oh, my bad. We are working with 29th file. This was 30th. That's such embarrassing. I'm so sorry for that. Alright, so now let's just get started. I'm just gonna add a bunch of things here. Let's say ABCD. We got ABCD. Oh, thank God. Anyways, let's just do this now. So we got ABCD first. Wow, next. Alright, so this works. Now we have a way with our tasks. Now the next thing we have to do is to clean this input box so the user doesn't mistakenly hit enter twice and thus just adds tasks for no reason. And also I'd like to check that scope.task is not empty, and instead of doing here we can just use that here. Scope.task is not equal to empty. Now let's just reload this, and if I try to do nothing and press enter, you see it doesn't work. So it works with wow, but not with an empty string. And about that, clearing that thing, we can do like scope and whoa, okay, I guess I messed up with a little bit of keys there. And here the task should have the empty value. Let's reload this, and wow, this is now empty. Okay, so we are getting things in JavaScript, and in the next tutorial we'll be looking at how to actually populate this area with this array right here. So that's all for this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching.